Hello there, bhai log. After a lot of drama, lot of worries and ifs and buts, finally we are here to get going from Pune towards Delhi. भाई गाड़ी ब्रेक डाउन हो गया एंड गाड़ी के लिए आई डोंट नो इट हैज सम काइंड ऑफ मिस्टीरियस इलनेस, सो उसका बैटरी चार्ज नहीं हो रहा ऑन द गो. So they're still working on it. So that's very rare because I've ridden it in extreme conditions of Umlingla and whatnot from Leh to Manali, and we've ridden in the highest motorable pass. Never have I ever come across any issue with the Adventure 390, but ये बार शायद नजर लग गया या क्या हो गया विजय, we don't know. So गाड़ी break down हो गया तो वो नहीं चला सकते. But as I told you, the surprise package is here. We are riding. What we are riding? चलो जल्दी बताते हैं. ये वाला नहीं ये वाला the orange beast, the new 390. It's an absolute screamer. We're going to go screaming towards Bharat MotoGP Delhi. Here we come. The orange brigade has started. So ये वाला bike है and this was a surprise I wanted to reveal to you. Let's get inside. देखो, too much happening with too little time. 3 days to go. We have to be there by 21st, and very grateful to Rhinox. I mean, every time I'm on a ride, they are there to help me. No matter what panic situation, celebratory situation, कुछ भी हो, they are there for me. So hats off to Rhinox, तुषार भाई, अमन भाई, and here Rahul अपना SR के मैं हूँ ना बोल के आ गए हमारे लिए हेल्प करने के लिए. But anyway, we are picking up some crucial stuff because we can't mount the saddlebags. We are picking up another tail bag. We are picking up this magnetic tank bag, which is almost tailor made for the new Duke 390 because it has a steel tank. तो उसके साथ हम जा रहे हैं to the Akudi plant and we're going to pick up another Duke 390 and we are riding full throttle towards Delhi. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. And yeah, thanks to Sid, who is the actual unsung hero right from day one, the day the vehicle broke down till today, till we are all ready to head towards Delhi. My brother is there for me, Faiz bhai, Dr. Amit, Shahid bhai, everyone, the entire Pune bikers. Bhai, mere bhai, I am proud to call them my brothers. I mean, help in need is help indeed. And we have other brothers also who are here to, send us off towards Delhi. बहुत हो गया introduction, गाड़ी चलाने का, भगाने का, full throttle. Let's hit the road. Starting from Rhinox, heading to Akodi plant to pick up the another Duke 390, and then we are underway towards Indore. So let's hop on. So guys, we are headed to Akodi to pick up the another Duke 390, and from there we head full steam ahead towards Delhi, around 1400 change kilometers, maybe 1474 or something, so close to 1500 kilometers. A proper touring review will come out of the Duke 390 as to how it fares when you try to tour on it. The new Duke 390, which is an absolute screamer in terms of performance and in terms of riding intensity it has on offer. But then in real world conditions, can you tour on it? The answer to that will be loud and clear by the end of this trip. Both the bikes are here. I'm riding the blue one, which you will be riding with the map on. So now this is the proper test of endurance in real world conditions heading towards Delhi, and then the ride will continue. But for now, let's enjoy the ride and let's go full throttle towards MotoGP. Oh, just look at this glorious, absolutely glorious view from the top here. The landscape, the beauty, lush green landscape greets you here. Okay guys, so we are on the highway now, on the way to Dhule. So 290 kilometers away. I think we can make it pretty easily once the roads open up. Now the roads are slightly starting to open up. We got to start pushing. So the rain has just cleared, so we are fortunate enough to skip the rain. The delay was a blessing in disguise. And now, what a road, man. Oh, wow. The flowers. So
bit of water patches here and there. Gotta be a little careful, but these are Metzeler tires. Do not worry. Oh, road grip on wet surfaces. Whoa! Oh, look at the way the landscape has opened up. This is the beauty of exploring, man. This is life. This is living life the way you want it. This is biker's life at its best. Oh. Wow. Look at the landscape. This is biking for you, my brother and sister. Look at the overcast dark skies. Look at the majestic hills. Look at the vast landscape. Wow, man, your jaw will hit the ground. And we're just getting started, huh? Still have a long way to go. Look on the other side. And the best part, we're doing 5th gear, 50 kilometers per hour. There's no knocking. Oh, wow, man, the state of tune is better now. 6th gear, still 50 kilometers per hour, still no knocking. Well done, KTM. Okay guys, because of the bad weather, you can see a lot of dark clouds. We don't want to take chances, so we're going to halt at Nashik, which is around 120 kilometers away. Enjoying every moment of it. The roads have been good. Around 80 kilometers was perfect, but then the roads started getting a little wobbly, so gotta watch out. Oh. Awesome. Absolutely spectacular visuals as we head towards Nashik. Sinnar is 85, Nashik is around 120. So we'll go to Nashik. Glorious visuals here as the day comes to an end. We have the hazards on because of overcast conditions. But boy, this is breathtaking view. Oh my God. What a view, man. This is to die for. Oh, glorious. Mother Nature in all her splendid glory. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God. అసలు ఇక్కడ చూడండి వ్యూ అదిరిపోయింది. అసలు నిజంగా ఎటు చూడాలి అర్థమైతలేదు. కళ్ళు చెదిరిపోయే వ్యూ అండి. అసలు నాసిక్ వైపు వెళ్తున్నాము, నాకు తెలిసి ఇంకో 80 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఉండొచ్చు. కానీ బాబా నేచర్స్ స్ప్లెండర్ అట్ హర్ వెరీ బెస్ట్ అని చెప్పొచ్చండి. సో గైస్, now the plan is Nashik is just 75 kilometers away, so we want to stay on the highway itself. So there is a hotel called Sayaji. I was suggested by a fellow motovlogger. So we're going to stay in Sayaji and leave early morning tomorrow. That's the plan, so that we can cover maximum distance tomorrow and go up to Indore or go beyond Indore towards Agra, and then of course the day after will be a full all-out run towards Delhi. Those who want to tour can look at this as a very, very good option. Now the handlebar on this one is slightly shorter, so if it were slightly wider, I think that would have added for better touring ergonomics. See, for a street fighter, for a track bike, this is perfect, flawless. But for touring, for better comfort, I think a slightly wider handlebar would have helped, and slightly taller handlebar. Now it's a little too short for some people, shorter riders. They might feel they would have to bend forward a little bit, but for the people who are around 5'7" and above, I think It's a very good comfortable seating posture and no strain whatsoever. Quick shifter works flawlessly, so does the blipper, and the electronics do the job judiciously, and overall it's an absolute feast. Yeah, this orange beast is an absolute feast. That is what I keep saying. Okay guys, here is a quick headlamp test. We are in pitch darkness. There is no street light here on the highway, so we're going to do a quick headlamp test with the bus up ahead. So as you can see, this is the low beam, this is the high beam. Low beam, high beam. You can see on the this one, truck ahead, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. Okay, so hope you get an idea, or we can go a little ahead on the empty road and I can show you. You can see whether the difference is apparent or not, I'm not sure. High beam and low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. Okay, so hope you got an idea as to how good the light throw is. In fact, it is very, very good, very impressive. Look at the light throw, covers the entire road, man. Okay guys, riding into the city of Nashik, and we're going to find Sayaji, Hotel Sayaji, suggested by a friend. So let's find that out. It's 3 kilometers away, and then we're going to rest there. And also, actually there's no rest because I have to sit and edit the vlog in English and in Telugu. So let's see, and some Instagram pictures as well. Prati like important anamata to give us the strength and energy. Okay na? Vlog enjoy చేశారు అనుకుంటున్నాను.